told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you
it
felt
modified the
that
large
way.
screen, replace our 9
Stay
inch
strong
screen.
and
The first step,
fake a
first
smile
remove these
until
to
I
sides.
look away. But I've
Take
known
the
you too
tools.
long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
This side is the same.
As you fade away.
Here and here to screws to remove.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you
take out
told
the
your
screen.
friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Pick it up and then push the
Try
panel
to
to the
stay
front.
strong
Put it in
and fake
gear
a smile
engine.
until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Then we put this bracket on top of our machine to first loosen the 4 screws.
As you fade away.